So it's been a minute. So what had happened was, no, I have been meaning to like get on here and film and do some old school like tutorials for a long time. But due to current events with a certain other platform being banned where I've been the whole time, posting videos and things, better time to come back and say hello to everybody. It has been a little bit of a minute. I honestly was going to start filming again, like I think around this time last year, maybe a little earlier, but my husband got super sick and ended up having to have a major surgery. That whole situation lasted months with appointments, driving back and forth to Houston, which we are a good 3 hours away from. It was a very bad time, so definitely was not filming anything or thinking about that, but everything's good now. He's fine. And on the TT app, making content and just enjoying it over there. It's so easy, but I definitely have been wanting to get back here, and I feel like I have been neglecting this channel, and it shows because I don't have videos, and you guys hopefully are still around. Start posting. That's my little, you know, what's been going on for the last year, you know, the typical, you know, where have I been? Around, just not around. I have not done a tutorial on here for so long. I don't even know where to start. Start with the primer. So I have been using the hydrating setting spray. This is so weird to like hold things up and show you guys. You feel so embarrassed. Everything that I use, I will try to get back into linking in the description box below if you guys want to try it. I've been using this because over the last 2 years, my skin has changed from oily to dry. I'm just getting old and crusty. That's just really what it's about. So I've been having to find things that are more hydrating. So I'm going to go ahead and use that first. Tell me where you guys have, what you guys have been up to. Tell me like how you feel about the ban of the other app. Let me know what you guys think about it. Do you guys think it needs to come back up? Do you guys use it? Do you guys look at me on there? Like, that's what we need to know. The Tarte Double Duty 35H Medium Honey. And then I've been mixing it with my matte poreless tried and true Fit Me foundation. I still use this to this day. I've been using it for years. 220. I just do about half and half. I feel like the Tarte is too drying, and even though the Fit Me is matte, it's not as drying as, you know, as you would think. I feel so rusty doing this, but I honestly have not been doing nothing fun with makeup anyway, so y'all ain't missing nothing. Just gonna use a flat brush to buff that in. Besides that, nothing else is going on. Just working and taking care of the house, and all of my babies have moved out. I don't know if you guys have been with me from the jump. I've had this channel for years, but all of my kids are grown and moved out, which is sort of sad. Our daughter is 23. My baby, she's on this channel too with some of the videos I've done with her. She finally moved out about 6-7 months ago into her own place, and she's doing really well. And my oldest is still out of state. He moved out of state many years ago for years, and he's doing fine. And then our middle son moved to Ohio about a year and a half ago. His girlfriend's from there, so that's where they are, but I'm hoping that he'll move back. I think that they're looking at moving back to, you know, the Houston area. But yeah, it's just my husband and I and the cats. Have 2 cats now. We ended up adopting a little kitty about 2 years ago. My old man Jackson, he was 16 and a half. We lost him in September. He passed away, which is absolutely heartbreaking and devastating. I've had that cat for 16 and a half years. He's definitely family, and we miss him so much. Let me see. I got a little pillow of him. Hold on, I'll show you. Look at him. I have him sitting on the couch in my office where he would always sit and like watch me do my makeup and stuff and get ready. So there he is. He lived a long, beautiful life with us, 16 and a half years, and I miss him. I mean, ain't nothing changed, y'all. I'm not a very exciting person. Ain't nothing super serious going on. These little Revlon as highlighters. I don't know if I'll be able to find these. I found a whole bunch of these on clearance at Big Lots like a year and a half ago. They were all like, this one says $3.80, but it was not. It was like $1 and some change, if that. I grabbed a shit ton of them. So I've been using the heck out of these. I miss talking to you guys. That's what I miss the most, because you guys are all so chatty. Or bronzer, y'all know how that goes. I'm using the Juvia's Place, and this is the color Tanzania. To be honest, I'm not super excited about this, but I'm gonna use it because I bought it because it's a little patchy. Honestly, it goes on a little patchy. But I will still link it for you guys if you guys want to try it. But for me, it just feels patchy. Like I have to go back in and fix it. But you know, we got to do something with this big forehead. So we gonna go ahead and do what we do. But yeah, I miss you guys. I miss talking to you guys. That's the one thing that I miss the most, is the sense of like friendship and community, because I feel like all of us are friends, especially my regulars that just were always there commenting and chatting and all that. So I'm excited to sort of reconnect with you guys and see what you all have been up to. I'm sorry I'm looking down, guys. I have all of my stuff down here. I should have been better prepared. I'm just gonna do a basic brow. I'm not gonna do a whole brow. I'm not going nowhere today. It's 25 degrees outside today in Texas, and I'm not going outside. So I'm using the NYX Professional Lift and Snatch Brow Pen. I like this, but it can tend to be a little heavy, so I gotta be careful. But let me go ahead and just fill in some of these spots real quick with just a little bit of hair. So you can already see like the option. Let me do it on this side. Y'all can really see. Look how bald. Look how that already looks better. And then I just pat it to just diffuse it a little, because sometimes my hair is looking a little too hairy. Miss just like this, sitting and chatting and doing like makeup tutorials. I don't do those on the TT app, so this is definitely something that would be continued over here. Pause that. I cannot talk and do my eyebrows at the same time. Nothing has changed. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little bit of eyeliner, and I'm not doing any lashes today, just a little mascara maybe. So I'm using now for my liner the NYX Epic Liner Pen. That's what it looks like. Again, I'll try to link things in the description box if I can figure it out. I ain't done it in a minute. Put the rest of my makeup on. I'll link everything in the description box. This video is getting long. Like, I know y'all are sick of me already, so let me just do that real quick. So I use the mascara. It is the Maybelline Colossal. I've been using this for years. I always go back to it. I got this blush. It's used. Okay, it's nasty in there too. I don't want to show y'all too much, but I got this off of Temu. I have a bunch of Temu makeup. Let me know if you guys want to see certain videos like all Temu makeup. I will. My skin isn't as sensitive as it used to be, so I'm able to branch out and use some foolery. But yeah, let me know if you guys want to see like a Temu makeup video, or let me know what videos in general you guys want me to do. I do not know what to start with or what to do. Miss you guys. I love you guys. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. That feels so flippin' funny to say. Oh my gosh. But yeah, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment all the things that I asked. What y'all been up to? What do y'all want to see? Just whatever. Say hi. And I love you, and I will see you guys in the next one.